When it comes to sending money internationally, TransferWise, now officially known as Wise, stands out as a trusted platform for fast, low-cost, and transparent global money transfers. Whether you're a freelancer, expat, student, or business owner, Wise transfers offer a refreshing alternative to traditional banks and outdated wire services. Wise is an international money transfer service founded in 2011. It allows users to send, receive, and hold money in multiple currencies using the real exchange rate, the one you see on Google. Unlike banks that charge hidden fees and offer inflated exchange rates, Wise payments are upfront, low-cost, and fast. Applying for a Wise account is quick and easy. All you need to do is visit the official website at www.wise.com. Then just sign up using your email or even your Google or Facebook account. Next, choose whether you want a personal or a business account. After that, complete your profile and verify your identity with the required documents. Once you're done, you can start sending money internationally or even hold multiple currencies in your Wise multi-currency account. So, here are some features of Wise that you're really going to love. First, there's the real exchange rate, which means no markup on currency conversion. You get the mid-market rate. Then, there are the low fees, with a transparent fee structure that's often 8 times cheaper than banks. Transfers are super fast too, with most of them completed within hours or at most a day. The multi-currency account lets you hold and manage money in over 40 currencies. Plus, with the Wise debit card, you can spend worldwide with 0 foreign transaction fees. And for businesses, there are tools to make batch payments, invoice clients globally, and even integrate with accounting software. What really sets Wise transfers apart is their commitment to transparency and fair pricing. Thanks to their peer-to-peer transfer model, money doesn't actually cross borders. Wise uses local bank accounts to minimize costs and speed up transactions. And honestly, this innovative model is exactly why Wise payments are faster and significantly more affordable. If you need more information, have questions, or want some support, you can always visit the official help center at https:/wise.com help.